common products are tea towels, beach towels, tote bags, apron sets, paper napkins, cushions, umbrellas, t-shirts, and so on.
Hello, this is Frank. We guarantee product variety at a competitive price.
Hi there, Claire speaking. Our factory and company staff will be with me. Together, we can provide you products that pass through a vigorous quality control system.
We provide customized service, and if you like, we can print your printings and photos on the products. Thank you.